Let's talk about neighbors. Do you know your neighbors?
Yes, I know near neighbors. I know your now my neighbors with
Hmm.
with my grandfather and grandma.
Okay. Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, I like my neighbors because it is
Hmm.
nature is very
Hmm.
real, and my neighbors help me and anytime.
Okay. Why neighbors are important in our life?
I think neighbors are most important in our life because every person help to neighbors, and sometime any problems and solve my neighbors.
Okay. When do you meet your neighbors?
I meet I meet my neighbors at evening time, but sometime
Hmm.
sometime I meet in few days after.
Okay. Let's move on to talk about birthdays. Do you usually celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I usually celebrate my birthday with my family members and friends.
How did you celebrate your last birthday?
I celebrate yes, I celebrated my last birthday at a Jalandhar restaurant in Subway.
Okay. Which days are the most important ones in your country?
I think that most of people think that some day is most important in our country. For example, 15th August is the most important day, and 15th August every people celebrated this day.
Fine. Do you think children should celebrate their birthdays?
Sorry.
Do you think children should celebrate their birthdays?
I think every children celebrated this birthday, your birthday, and these children think that it is special day for me.
Okay. Do you enjoy your childhood?
Yes, I fully enjoy in my childhood because my childhood life is most important for me.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you a topic, and you're having a minute to prepare your answer. Here's a pencil and paper for you. If you wish to make notes, you can. And here's your topic. Describe a time when you missed an appointment. Right? Yes, please.
Yes. Well, I usually do remember things. I have got a good memory, but sometimes I tend to forget even important things. If my life today here I would like to talk about missing my appointment.
Mhm.
I do remember when I when I, when I have incident after few months ago, and after few months ago, and then I I appointment with the dynasty, and with the dynasty, and it was during this time. It was during this time at college, in placement in college, and we were all children very nervous and preparing for it.
Mhm.
prepare for it. It was during this time I missed my appointment
Mhm.
with the dynasty. Then after missed my appointment with the dynasty, then I'm travel with the dynasty and then travel
Mhm.
with the dynasty and thought about I'm very busy
Mhm.
this day and missed my appointment and missed my appointment.
Okay, okay. Which events do people forget in your country?
Just most of people forget events in our country. First, for example, most of people forget the birthday, friend's birthday, and relatives' anniversary.
Do you think it is good idea to use electronic devices for having a reminders?
Sorry.
Do you think it is a good idea to use electronic devices for having reminders?
I think it is a good idea for electronic device because every person set on the alarms on the technology and remi- remember any day and anniversary other birthdays relatives.
Do you use them?
Yes, I use this technology because I forget sometimes I important things forget and
Okay. How can modern technology help you to keep good memories?
yes, the modern technology is a good memory and nowadays every people used to new technology and every time help this new technology and remember these things.
Okay. Is human memory important nowadays?
I think that human memory is most important nowadays because every person uh, sometimes very busy and forget any important work but n- but new generation but new generation
Okay. Thank you. That's the end of your speaking test.